ntekateeka nga bweri.
Ngatu atapa paken ingeli ara ngone yoko ngena para ngeli idia ngini angi karwa ngomon.
And I owe nothing to nobody. I depend on myself.
Mama tungana ni peida ngini ala karibi obore aneni keng. Ara ingeli tungana ngini apitane bari.
So all I want from other Ugandans is that if they can buy my milk and my beef and my bananas, that's all I want from them.
Tantang tungana ni bon abu nore to yele akiri ena anka baren aka kile ka mototo ole tata yong ole tata yong lo mani kwari. And
anybody who buys my milk or my beef or my bananas is helping me to be rich. So I'm very happy with all Ugandans. So I don't care about their religion, about their tribes. Those are their personal issues.
Ame takini tayong. Iyo ni buni eke no ange delenga to gele ngakile akiri ke mototo ona angi dinyo ona ka ite ka ngatekerin ona ange macharin achario anenika.
I'm glad the NRM accepted this ideology of patriotism, Pan-Africanism and socio-economic transformation.
Engene lozikintori apukan ngaka NRM ngakero ona ka ru chokena aloto ma ekipo yenge to anu ko te Uganda kani kiriono ka ngapa pinda dankara kai nipe.
So this is contribution number 1 to Uganda by the NRM, Ekidil. You call it Ekidil here, I am told.
Pelu ngolo ezunyuna ole ti NRM anakapa Uganda ka la karimojong erai aya win Ekidil na kwap.
Contribution number 2 is Octopor Aquap.
Pelungola nyari olo yaka ko ngola gerunto edek rikakena Octopor Aquap.
And this has got 2 parts.
Octopor Aquap yanga ruatini ngari.
There is economic infrastructure on the one hand and social infrastructure on the other hand.
Na ngare ni arai angari Aquap tololo mikingi muchuruz aponare ka ngitunga nguluri mitonga kwa pin erangi nkalato ngina che akiwakin ka dukun neni etukono kinoi tozio mai toria muna ozo ngina kitete kitatami ka neni kimukere dang ari angale ngawat.
And economic infrastructure means the roads, electricity, the telephones, piped water, and in some parts of the country, the railway.
Angari akop tololo mikingi muchuruzi apanare angulu sheda ingezi rukudei.
Kale oyo President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ali mu bitundu eby'e Napaka. Mu bufu obulala omukulembeze w'ekibiina ki National Unity